suggestion system. One of the way making employee happy is that organization should make the employee give suggestion, so that they'll feel that they're also contributing to the organization, right? For that reason here, what are the ways by which an organization can ease the suggestion system, can make the suggestion system easier, so that most of the employee will come up and give their suggestion? Because we know that suggestion is that is employees are the vast and untapped resource of information. Always organization must seek the suggestion of the employee, because employees are the one who are well known to the ongoing things such as customer satisfaction, customer dissatisfaction, and other related issues are well known to the employee as compared to the management, sometimes the same. For that reason, suggestion system should be well established by an organization to that is when there is a foundation for total quality management in an organization is established, definitely it will become easier for the organization to have the suggestion system in place. Okay, and if there are any barriers in an organization to have the suggestion from the employee, those barriers must be removed. All the efforts from the organization should be made towards the removal of those barriers, so that a better suggestion can be sought from the side of the employee. And organization must also understand that most of the suggestions sometimes prove to be more fruitful in solving some burning problems or some crucial moments, right? You see that if in a class, if I seek your suggestion, sometimes the class may go smoother, sometimes I may also feel little like a little overburdened. That is, if you give me a suggestion that sir, you give me a topic, I will do some 10 to 15 minutes of the class of yours tomorrow, then what happens to me, that suggestion will prove me helpful, because I'll have to do only some 30-40 minutes, another 20 minutes will be taken care by you students. Such kind of the suggestion, if it is proving to be good, if it is accepted, those kind of the suggestions must be taken from the what employee. And here, that is when an organization is encouraging the employee, when it is motivating the employee to give the suggestion, definitely it leads to the creativity, right? When there are thousands of employees in an organization, when they come up with their own suggestion, definitely one or two or three leads to the creativity. Okay, and in order to have the better suggestion system in place, um, management, otherwise the organization, must follow some 4 ground rules. What are those ground rules? Let us see. Okay, rules followed by, otherwise let me write down as the ground rules only. Ground rules for ground rules followed by management or organization for better suggestion system. Important from the subject point of view. Okay, and those rules are being here. Okay, what are those rules? Those should be followed. What are the essential things that must be kept in the mind of the organization, or in the mind of the management, so that suggestion system will go smoother? Let me write down those things here. The first one is being first one is they should remove the fear. Okay, otherwise before to that should be progressive. Organization should be progressive. Second one is remove fear. Third one is simplify. simplify the process, and last one, reward. These four rules must be followed by an organization so that suggestion system in an organization will going to become effective. Okay, and what do you mean by progressive? You all know that is organization can become progressive by continuously asking suggestions from the employee, and merely putting up suggestion boxes in an organization will not going to motivate the employee much. You might have observed and seen in airports, in railway stations, metro stations, and in few of the institutions and in public organizations also, we get to see that there are the suggestion box. In hospitals, we get to see the suggestion box. That means that their not only employee but customers also can give their suggestion if they wish and if they want to. If something has to be changed from the perspective of an employee or from the perspective of the customer, those suggestions can be written and put in those boxes. But here, organization, being an organization, that is, they are seeking the suggestion from only employee, not from the customer. Customer is different part. We have seen that how the customer information can be gathered through the feedback system, all those things we have seen. Now we are talking about the employee. When employee suggestion need made to be like effective, here organization must be progressive by continuously asking the suggestion. Like the suggestion may be through phone calls, maybe through emails, maybe through personal interaction, face-to-face interaction. The organization should be in such kind of progressive nature. Organization should not be just putting up a box and write over it, this is a suggestion box. Then it will not motivate the employee to give the suggestion. You see, in most of the organizations, if the suggestion box is there for the whole year, it will be empty. For the whole 6 months, it will be empty. Nobody will give and come suggestion. Okay, so for that reason, organization must be progressive in nature, and they should be asking the suggestions by face-to-face interaction, and that will motivate the employee to give their suggestions if they have anything to give. Okay, next one, we have the remove the fear. The best way of removing the fear from the mind of the employee is organization must focus on the process, not on the person. Right? That means that organization should never target a person for any reason to be considered. When organization is trying to target a person for his failure or for his success, what happens? It will make that person inhibits. It will make that person fear. So what happens with the fear? He will not go give the suggestion. That means that organization must remove the fear of the employee by letting them know that there are no punitive actions are going to take if you give the any response, if you give any suggestion. Sometimes what happens, if I ask you, just for the sake of, if you have any questions, if you know that if you ask question I will punish you, nobody will ask me any question. But if I have removed that barrier that nobody is going to punished for any reason, so that what happens, the fear is going to be vanished, and employee will give their suggestion with open mind. Try to understand, removal of the fear is very crucial from the mind of the employee. And how the fear can be removed? Fear can be removed by two ways. One is by focusing the process, not the person. That means not targeting the person for any reason. Second one is let the employee know that, announce that there are no punitive action, there are no punishment are given to the employee if they give any suggestion. The suggestion may be positive or suggestion may be negative. Though the possibility of suggestion may be positive and negative, there are no punishment. In that case, what fear will go off from the mind of the employee, and they'll give more suggestions. Okay. And third one is simplify the process. It is very important. Organizations must stamp out the superfluous paperwork. audit on a process and other things. Okay, and revisions on the suggestions. See, for example, if I want to, like, employees are ready to give the suggestion, but if a particular employee want to give a suggestion, he will have to go through many procedures. He'll have to fill a form, write another letter, attach one more letter. This includes the superfluous paperwork. That means not required paperwork. Okay, and this, if the kind of the paperwork is lengthy, no employee will give the suggestion. If the kind of the revision on the suggestion is high level, then also no employee will give the suggestion. And again, if there are any procedures, those procedures should be made simplified. Correct. After that, once the suggestion is received from the employee, the evaluation should be made simple and effective. So the suggestions received from the employee should be evaluated. Correct. Whether the suggestion can be accepted, rejected, those things should be evaluated. That evaluation should be simplified and effective also. And thereafter, there are the organization should give the possibility to the that is response of possibility to the employee in 3 ways in writing. Okay, what are the 3 ways it can give? That is those 3 ways of, that is simplifying the process I am talking about. Once the suggestion is received from the employee, that should be evaluated in a simple way and in an effective way. Once it is evaluated, the response to the employee should be given back. And how it should be given? It should be given in writing. Okay, response should be in writing. And again, it will be in 3 ways. One of the ways is acceptance. That is stating that Mr. Employee, Mr. X, your suggestion is accepted. That is the acceptance. If it is not accepted, then it has to be stated that it is rejection. And sometimes it is not accepted, not rejected, but it is sent for the further evaluation. Okay, that is referral to a committee. Okay, all that is when organization want to simplify the process, it will have to do all these things. And the suggestion of the employee, if the suggestion of the employee is accepted, then a time frame for its implementation must be given to the employee. Yes, Mr. X employee, your suggestion is being accepted, and this is the time frame by which your suggestion will be implemented by the organization. That should be given to them. If the suggestion is rejected, if the suggestion is rejected, the reason behind the rejection must be stated to the employee. Who is that? Mute yourself. Rejection reason should be stated to the employee, and if it is referred to a committee for the further evaluation, the time frame for the evaluation should be stated, should be given to the